All right, so there's no intro for this video. Let's just get into it. I'm going to show you how to do massive batch minting using 𝘊𝘳𝘺𝘰, okay? Let's get it. What's going on, y'all? You're now watching the greatest channel that has ever existed. My name is Bitcoin Benito, and I truly appreciate you guys for being here with me. So like I said, we're going to do some massive batch minting today. It's going to be absolutely amazing. So before I show you how to use 𝘊𝘳𝘺𝘰s and do the batch minting, I'm going to read some of my comments from my subscribers. I hit 1,000 subscribers. I'm really happy this finally happened. Let's celebrate. Let's enjoy the good times. In fact, I'm going to come out with another video showcasing everything that I've been doing over the past 2 years that I've had this channel. I know it's been very slow growth, but it's been growing absolutely dramatically in 2022. So I'm really happy. I've gained like maybe 800 subscribers in 2022, and I gained like 200 subscribers the 16 months before that. Absolutely crazy. So I'm going to come out with a video. Stay tuned for it. It's probably going to be the next video or the video after this. But yeah, first let me go to my subscribers and read some of the comments. The first comment that I have is from, let me move this out of the way. The first comment that I have is from 𝘕𝘰𝘯𝘦. She says, wow, these NFTs are making money machine like no other thing we have ever experienced before. I'm shaking for joy already. And I say, yep, I'm going to make another video soon in how you can do batch minting and make 128 wallets in one fell swoop. Actually, this is this video right now that I'm talking to her about. Okay. The next comment is from Graham Evans. He says, so close to 1,000 subscribers. Should be over after the weekend. Yep. Invite more people to subscribe. Yes, please tell your friends to subscribe to me. Tell your family members to subscribe to me. Just because I hit 1,000 subscribers already doesn't mean that I want to hit 10,000, 100,000. I want to go forever and ever and ever. Okay. Next, we have Joe Rodriguez. He says, Gemini's froze my account. I can't get my money back. Any suggestions? Sorry. I'm not really sure. You're going to have to contact the customer service for Gemini. But yeah, from now on, I only want you to keep your crypto in a hardware wallet or in MetaMask. Please, guys, remember, not your keys, not your coins. You need to own custody of your own coins, of your own wallets. Don't give it to other third-party companies. Then I have a comment from Nikita Rusu. I did an interview with him about a week ago. Look up here, up there. That's where the interview is right now. Multiple parts of the interview. He's a really good guy. Thank you for the comment that you like my thumbnail. Yes, I'm trying to make my thumbnails a lot better, trying to make my titles better, everything better. I'm trying to improve the quality for you guys. Even this camera that you're looking at me right now costs about $150. I'm doing it because I want you guys to have the best experience that you can have with my videos. Okay. Next, we have 𝘰𝘰𝘯𝘵. He says, I minted 𝑍FTs from 𝘊𝘰𝘯𝘵 testnet, as you said on previous videos. Does it have any value, bro? Kindly waiting for a reply. And then I said, nope, testnets have never had any real world value. 𝘊FTs are supposed to officially come out at the end of December. Fingers crossed. Yeah, so right now it's just a testnet. Nothing is real. Nothing is legitimate with these testnets. They're just to make sure to iron out all the kinks, iron out all the bugs, and to allow the users to get used to actually minting 𝘊FTs. Next, we have a comment from MacMean. He says, I just spoke with Jack today regarding the limited series 𝘊FTs. To clarify, the 365-day limit applies to how long the rabbit icon limited 𝘊FTs are available to mint since launch date, not the mint term. Yes. So I made a little bit mistake with one of my videos before. So yeah, you're going to be able to mint the rabbit type 𝘊FTs for about a year, 365 days. And then afterwards, you're not going to be able to mint anymore ever again. Okay. And I believe they cost about $10 million. 10 million Zen coins for the middle layer, and then up to 10 billion Zen coins for the most expensive 𝘊FTs. He continues to say that the rabbits commemorate the year of the rabbit, which is next year, which is a Chinese zodiac sign year. After 365 expiration, the rabbits will no longer be available to mint. However, the limited 𝘊FTs can still be minted to keep the burn mechanism going. Okay. Specifically in 2024, these 𝘊FTs will have a dragon icon to commemorate the year of the dragon. Every year for the next 12 years will be a unique 1-year Chinese zodiac limited 𝘊FT. Yes. So each year, these 𝘊FTs will change to the new zodiac sign. But of course, the year of the rabbit, because it's the earliest, because it's the first, is always going to be the most valuable. It's always going to be the most memorable 𝘊FT. Okay. So let's get into the video. What are we going to talk about today? Today, we're going to talk about batch minting. Now, as you can see, look right here, Claim Monitor. I mean, I'm putting my business out there, but I don't really care. Right now, I have 695 wallets filled, overflowing with 1.3 billion Zen coins. And in fact, these are not all my Zen coins. I have a lot more Zen coins right now. Currently, the value is about $5,600, but I feel like it's going to 10x within the next year. It's going to be about $56,000 about a year from now. We'll see. Fingers crossed. We see what's going to happen. And then when Zen NFTs come out, that might even make it 20x or 100x. Realistically, more than likely, the bull market that's going to happen in about 3 years, it's almost a guarantee. Although this is not financial advice, I'm not a financial advisor, but it's almost a guarantee that's going to 100x. It's going to easily 100x, maybe 200x in the next 3 years. 3 years is when the next bull market is going to happen. Yeah, so this $5,600 is going to be worth over $500,000 in the next 3 years. Come back to this video and tell me I'm lying, okay? 1.3 billion Zen NFTs is going to be worth $560,000 by 3 years or even before 3 years, guaranteed. How exactly do we do batch minting, right? How was I able to make 658 wallets? And I made it quickly. It didn't take me hours and hours and hours. I did it in a quick amount of time. Well, you have to go to this website called cointool.app/batchmint/Zen. Okay. And then I'm clicking the Ethereum version. Don't worry, I'm going to have the links down below so you can see all the details about it. So what you do is that you go to this website, and then you can give them a maximum amount of wallets. That's what this mint number is. You can say the maximum amount of wallet is 128. Okay, so you can do 128 wallets in just one fell swoop. Notice that if I try to do something crazy like 500 or 5,000, it goes back to 128. And then the term limit days is about 433, I believe, or 430 something. So let me do 500 days and go back here. It's 435. So the maximum amount of days that you can do is 435 days, and the maximum amount of wallets is 128 wallets. That being said, what if I do the maximum amount of everything? Okay, to figure out how much money that is, let's go to Mint Monitor. Right now it's 8:30 p.m. So gas fees are a little bit expensive, but it's not that big of a deal. If we do 435 days for one wallet from now, you can claim these coins in 435 days, which is about February of 2024, something like that, a little bit around that time. You will receive $125 profit, right? $125 profit. So this is just plain cash, $125 profit. And if we multiply $125 profit times the 128 wallets that we get, we're going to get $16,000 profit only. And that's if Zen stays at the current price that it is. Zen is currently at like one of the worst prices that it's ever had in its entire life. And to be honest, it's going to stay stable like this. It's going to consolidate like this for the next couple of months, or it's going to consolidate like this until Zen NFTs come out. But once Zen NFTs come out, and then once people start realizing that the bottom has already happened, the bottom already happened at the end of November. I don't care what no one says. Once people start realizing that the bottom has already happened, Zen NFTs and Zen coins will start to, or Zen tokens will start to increase in value so dramatically. So this $16,000 that's going to happen in February 2024 is going to be worth way more than $16,000. It's probably going to be worth, between a year and 3 years from now, it's almost a guarantee. Like I said, it's probably going to be worth $1.6 million. It's absolutely crazy because it's probably going to 100x in about 3 years. Almost a guarantee. So how much does it cost though? So doing that many coins, mint cost is $3.33, and the claim cost is $1.92. So you do $5.25 times 128 wallets, right? Remember, that's the maximum. It's going to cost you $672, right, in total. But $672 minus $700 equals $16,000 of profit even, okay? And to just start off right now, all you have to do is have $3.57 right now times 128 wallets. So to start off right now, all you need is about $450. I know that's a lot of money. $450 is nothing to sneeze at, but it's okay. Don't worry. You're going to make so much profit that it's not going to be, you're not even going to notice it. So let's get to the actual batch minting. Now, I don't have that much money in my account. I'm going to move money from accounts. By the way, I name my wallets by the term that I want to do my claims. So this is a very smart way to do it. You can change the name. This one right here is called Batch Mint February 17, 2023. Okay. And this one right here, I plan on doing it on February 20, 2023 again. I did one right here for February 3rd, January 21st, January 6th, so on and so forth, okay? So this one right here, let's do February 18th. In order to change the name, you just go to account details, click the pencil, batch mint, February 18th, 2023, okay? And then I click the check mark, and then we're gonna do that. And then what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna transfer some money from one of my accounts that has $25. I'm gonna transfer it all over to the February 18th account. So the first thing that you do is you click this to copy it to your clipboard. You go all the way to the accounts that has the $25, click on that, it loads that, and then I click send because I wanna send some Ethereum to my February 18th account. I paste the wallet address in there, and then I click maximum, and then I click next, and then I change the market value to, I can just keep it medium because it's only a couple of cents different. I'm gonna click confirm, and then in about 30 seconds it's going to send the money over. And there you go, I get $25.59, okay? So what we're gonna do, we have $25.59. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to try to figure out how much money can I mint with, how much Zen can I mint with $25.59. So the first thing that we're gonna do, I'm guessing that we're gonna be able to mint like maybe 4 wallets at a time. So I'm gonna change that to 4, and I'm gonna change the term limits to, I think it's 65 days or 66 days from now, is February 18th. And then I click mint. And then there you go. It costs exactly $23.28. However, MetaMask wants to compensate for the slip in price and different things like that. So that's why it's not letting me do that. So what I do is I go to market, and then I do the lowest amount possible. And then there you go. I'm able to confirm. So I just click confirm, and then we wait about 30 seconds to a minute. And then voila, it's successful. Not only is it successful, I now have $9.41 left over. Okay. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to look at all the wallets that we got. So as you can see, I minted 4 wallets, and now you can see I have 1, 2, 3, 4 wallets. Okay. Really great. Really awesome. Okay. So how do I keep track of these coins? How do I keep track of all these mints? So the first thing that you need to do is go over here and click export created. So you need to export it out and then open it up. I'm using a MacBook right now. And then the sheets are open up right here. What you want to do is you want to click the first ID, and these are all wallet addresses. You want to click the first wallet address. I hold shift, and then I click the 4th wallet address. Then I right click, and then I click copy. And then I go to this website, Mint Monitor, Zen Turbo. So 𝘊𝘳𝘺𝘵.io. I'm gonna have the description of the websites down below in the description. And then I go to Claim Monitor, and then I go to Add Addresses. And then if this is your first time doing this, it's going to ask you for your email, and you're going to have to confirm your email, go to your email address, do all that stuff. But I did all this stuff like maybe 2 months ago or something like that. So I'm going to add my 4 addresses, and then I'm going to click confirm. Now look right here. You see I have 658 total addresses. When I click confirm, it's going to add the 4 addresses. So it goes from 658 to 662. There you go. So 662 addresses. It adds it very, very slowly. You're going to see that, okay, yeah, you see the monitor has increased by 1.4 billion Zen coins, but over the next maybe 30 minutes or an hour is going to slowly increase more and more and more. Okay. So right now I have $5,600 worth of Zen coin. But like I said, in less than 3 years, it's going to be worth over $500,000. This is absolutely amazing, and I'm telling you how to do this because I thank you, I love you, I appreciate you. Watch this video up here. Let's get this money.